Bitcoin is going to the 92,000 in the coming weeks. Later in this video I will tell you everything about this move. I will also have a look at some altcoins. I will look at Cardano, VeChain, and I will look at BNB, the Binance coin, with you. Slap up that like button, comment on the video, and let's dive right into the charts. On a daily time frame we can see Bitcoin broke out of this falling wedge formation, and we are currently seeing a retest of this formation. I was expecting this retest earlier this week. I will show you a previous video of me where I explained this. And currently we are breaking above this resistance trend line. So yeah, if we see a break like this, I always expect that we are going to see a retest of the resistance to turn it into support. And yeah, what we can expect a little bit price action like this. And it will also be confluent with the closing of the CME gap. So then we retest this previous resistance as a support, and from there we can aim for higher prices. So yeah, as I said, I was expecting that we are going to see a retest like this, and that we're going to retest the previous resistance as support, and from here we can aim for higher prices again. Also the CME gap got closed, of course, and we are currently seeing a retest. So we can expect a little bit more upside from this point. And if we then zoom in on the 4-hour time frame, we can see multiple touch points on this trend line resistance. And yeah, of course we broke out, as we were saying, and we are currently retesting this previous resistance as support. So this support has to hold, and yeah, then we can aim for further price action and maybe to the upside, because we also want to see a trend reversal, and we can see Bitcoin made a little bit of a higher high on the 4-hour time frame after this V-shaped recovery. So yeah, we could indicate a trend reversal, and if we are going to create a low here, then it would also mean that we are going to see a higher low on the chart, and that is very bullish for the trend reversal, because after that we could possibly make a higher high, and then the trend is confirmed. However, on the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, we can also see this huge resistance slash support zone for Bitcoin. And currently, yesterday, we are seeing a little bit of a rejection from this point. So we can see a little bit more downside. But yeah, as I was saying, there is a little bit of a higher high in the creation. And we could also make a higher low again. Yeah, we can also see it like this. If Bitcoin is going to retest this resistance again, then we could create a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders, and that will also be very bullish, because an inverse head and shoulders is a bullish buy pattern. And what we want to see after the retest of this resistance, that we're going to see a gain of this level, then retest the previous resistance as support, and then we can aim for higher prices again. So yeah, in the coming days, this will be the make or break point for Bitcoin, and this will be the most interesting chart to look at, in my opinion. After Bitcoin made this gain, we can trade the market on this retest to test it as support, and on this retest you can enter the market in a long, and then you can aim for higher prices. If you want to trade like me, you can click the links in the description. You can either click on the link of Bybit or CoinW, and CoinW is a site where you don't need KYC, so you can just sign up for free and trade instantly. And if you click the link on CoinW, you will land on this page. You just need to sign up. You can get a lot of bonuses when you start trading, and also when you sign up, you get an instant 5 USDT cash reward. Yeah, so just start trading and collect your rewards. And as I was saying in the beginning of this video, we can expect Bitcoin is going to the $92,500. This is because we can see a huge run up for Bitcoin, and then we are consolidating in this bull flag formation. And a bull flag formation is being measured where you take the start of the impulse and put it to the upper side of the bull flag, and then you paste it at the lower side of the bull flag, and then you can see what the breakout target will be, and this will be confluent with the $92,500. So it could happen that Bitcoin is going to this level in the coming weeks or months. Yeah, of course it won't be happening overnight, but according to the books, the breakout target will be this level. So yeah, we can maybe in the coming weeks or coming months see this level getting reached. The first altcoin I want to discuss with you is Cardano. I've been discussing Cardano a lot Cardano has been in this falling wedge formation with multiple touch points on the top side and also on the downside. And we're going to see an apex is getting reached. So the apex coming real close right now. And if we break to the top side, the breakout target to the top side will be confluent with the top side of the formation, and that will be around the 80 cents. Yeah, and if we're going to break out from this point, the increase will be around the 80% for Cardano, so that's insane. And if we reach this level, we're going to immediately see regional highs. And of course, the all-time high for Cardano is still far away, but we are still in the early stages of the bull market. And I expect Cardano will be trading above the $2 again in the future. So you can also trade this for a breakout, of course. What I was saying, you have to wait for a confirmation of the breakout. Then you have to wait for a retest of the previous resistance to turn into support. And from this point, you can enter the market in a long and you can aim for higher prices. Then I want to discuss VeChain with you. You can see VeChain in this formation, and we can see a bearish retest after a huge consolidation. So this was the consolidation phase, and we fell below the support. We retested the previous support as resistance, and now we have to aim for lower levels. So this is a little bit bearish, if you ask me. If you look at it differently, we can see this falling wedge formation on the daily time frame with multiple touch points on the top side formation, and also multiple support touches on the downside. And also this formation is coming to an apex real soon. So yeah, what we can expect for VeChain is that we are going to break out to the top side, because a falling wedge is a bullish bias pattern. And also here the top side of the formation will be the breakout target of this falling wedge. And yeah, if we break out, we also have to wait for a confirmation, a retest of the previous resistance to turn it into support, and then aim for higher prices. So this could be a very good trade, and this will be a trade of around 38%, of course. So that is also a huge trade for VeChain to make. And another interesting altcoin I want to discuss with you is the Binance coin, so BNB. Yeah, BNB, if you will look at the weekly time frame, it has been in this huge consolidation phase in the bull market. So it was trading below this support/resistance area, and we broke above this resistance area, and we saw a huge run up for BNB. And on the daily time frame, we can now experience this consolidation pattern after this huge run up, and you can also see we broke above this huge resistance. We retested this area as support, and then we came back further up. So this was also a very good trade to make, and this is why I always say you have to wait for the confirmation to test the previous resistance as support, and then you can enter the market. And this is a perfect example. So after this huge run up, we see a big consolidation for BNB happening. Yeah, and of course the trend is up, so we can expect two scenarios. The most likely scenarios to play out is the break to the top side, where we have to retest the previous support resistance as support and then shoot further back up. But also, yeah, we can see, especially when Bitcoin comes down, that we're going to see a break below this level. And then we retest the previous support as resistance and then come further back down. So yeah, there's also a third scenario possible, and that we're going to keep consolidating until this apex is getting reached. But yeah, eventually we have to choose a side. The trend is up, so I expect that we're going to continue the trend after this huge consolidation to the top side. The Bitcoin ETFs had a little bit of a neutral day yesterday, and we can see an outflow of $50 million yesterday. BlackRock didn't buy. There were a lot of other ETFs that didn't buy, but Grayscale started selling again. So yeah, this could be indicating that Grayscale is going to dump again. Yeah, the last 2 days were positive for Grayscale, and yeah, we want to see more positiveness coming into the market. And some other interesting news is that the South Korea's winning party is planning to approve a Bitcoin ETF. So the biggest political party in Korea that won last month in the elections is interested in the Bitcoin ETF. So that's huge, because South Korea is relatively a big country for crypto. And yeah, we can maybe see a lot of our inflow of institutional money into the Bitcoin markets. So this was it for today. Slap up that like button. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel to never miss a video in the future. Don't forget to follow me on X. I hope you have a good day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.